Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can add QR code scanner on the quick settings to scan something like this. See here, see I have a QR code scanner. This may be hotel menu or a payment like phone pay, Google Pay or something like that. And to scan it quickly, we can add a QR code scanner on the quick settings like this here on the notification panel. See here, this is the Motorola H50 mobile and I have QR code scanner right on here. So when I scan this, I'll be clicking on open, right? So this has opened that particular website or payment or whatever it may be, but on this Nothing mobile there is no QR code scanner. See here, there is quick share but there is no QR code scanner shortcut on this. How you can add this? See, when you scroll from top to bottom, you see this pencil symbol here or edit. Click on this to edit the tiles, and in this list you will have the QR code scanner. But right now there is no enough space on it here, right? You need to just click on this red symbol and drag and tap on this, it will get added. But this is on the Nothing mobile. On different mobiles, different operations we need to do. Say for example, on Moto mobiles, to add a quick setting like this, you need to click on this pencil symbol, and here you just need to drag and drop. Say for example, I'll be adding this quick share. Drag and drop on top, so that when you see, now the quick share appeared here. If you miss QR code scanner, likewise you can also keep in the quick settings or the notification panel. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.